Hey guys, welcome back to T5A. If you're new to my channel, that simply means you're going to take 5 minutes and just hang with your girl right here, Beauty by Ashley Delgado. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a reverse kind of what I just recently posted, a Revolution foundation and concealer for the very first time. That is what I have on my face again today. And I must say that I really am feeling the product. So you should go check it out, either purchase it. I've been told that it is sold in Target. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to prime these eyelids. I did do my full face. I am going to take my Peel-Ease base and I am using the number 1. So I'm just going to take just a little bit and I'm kind of going to put it just on my eyelids like that. And blend this out a little bit with my finger first. So I'm going to go in with one of my tiny beauty sponges and I'm just going to touch that there. So I'm just going to take a little bitty sponge and we're going to just blend that all out on our lids. And if you really wanted to, you can just go in with your concealer brush. Whatever you have, sponge, brush, make it easy for yourself, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to get any kind of big brush that you have like this. We're going to dip into that MAC soft brown. I am feeling that lately, so that is what I'm using. The transition color on my crease there. So you take it on your brush and you're just kind of get that into the crease. So remember my last T5A, I was saying that I've been drinking too much coffee. So it happened again today. I went with my coffee in hand and I get to work and Becky comes upstairs, sits at my desk and says, "Hey, you want Starbucks?" And I'm like, yeah, duh. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dip into one of my everyday palettes, and it is the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. Again, like I said, this is my everyday palette, so don't judge me because it's a little dirty, okay? We're gonna dip right here into this darker brown, and it is called Cypress Umber, and we're gonna get a little bit of that on there, as you can see. And the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch the very corner with that color, and I'm not like moving the brush anywhere else. I'm kind of just patting it in that same spot. So that's all we're doing. As you can see, that is sitting just at the corner of our eyes. It doesn't really go too far in. I'm going to use another matte color, and this is blank type. So I'm going to just hit that inner corner just like so. So kind of the same thing you did at the outer corner, but in the inner corner, just hit a little bit. The only reason why I'm doing that is because I want to brighten that inner corner right there. They're little pots. I don't know how to explain it, but they're little like metallic pots. And this stuff is very pigmented, so you want to be very careful. But what I'm going to do is just with my finger, I'm going to dip into this just a little bit. And then with your finger, you're going to apply that right to the center of, you know, like in between the dark and the light. And I do touch over the lighter side and the darker side a little bit. So I do overlap it a little bit. So then it looks nice and blended. But we will go in with our brush and blend it out as well. Like I said, these things are very pigmented. You don't have to go too crazy with it. So what we're going to do is that same brush that we used for our crease, not adding anything. You're just going to go right in and you're going to kind of just blend that all at the crease. So you're not kind of going down, but you're blending it from the crease right here. All right, so just like that. And then lastly, what you're going to do is you're going to go in with my Holy Grail, my highlight, and it's the Anastasia Amorese highlight. It looks just like this. And with that same brush that you use for the corner, you're going to just take some of that on there and you're gonna touch right into that corner just like you previously did, and even a little bit down. I like to come down a little bit with that, like so, to make it look nice and smooth transition there. You see that? And if you needed to with that finger, you can always go and touch in again. You can do white liner, you can do an eyeliner, a wing if you want, kind of jazz up the look however you want. But this is pretty, you know, glam. You can add lashes. I'm just gonna do my regular lashes for tonight, but you can kind of do whatever you like. I always go in with 2 different mascaras, especially if I'm not wearing falsies. So I'm gonna go in with 2, okay? And then you can just kind of go in, wipe off if there was anything that fell out. You can always add powder, add brightening powder if you like. And that is it. Like, bam, that is the look right there. You're ready. And that only took 5 minutes. Come on, maybe a little longer. All right, guys, so yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can achieve semi glam eye without having to do too much, and you learned it in 5 minutes with your girl Ashley. You're welcome. But I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope that it is helpful to you, and if you guys try it, let me know. Let your girl know. I want to know. Comment down below. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on that notification bell because I will be dropping more T5A soon. Bye guys.